Now, how does the society shape today's youth? And why is it that authenticity is becoming rare and rare?
You see, currently we live in a performance-based generation.
Correct.
Clout has literally replaced character.
Very true.
Social media perfection has replaced real conversations.
Right.
You remember when we began, we said we don't have real conversations no more.
Correct.
Not at home, not in church, not in schools. So our young people are afraid of being disliked. So they end up being copies of everyone else outside there. They literally abandon themselves. And that is why we are here. Our mission at the Real Round Table is to challenge these pressures.
Correct.
And remind our young people that authenticity is their real power.
Bro. That's the word, bro. I totally agree with you.
Guys, get real.